Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for another video. It's Coupons with Abby. Happy Tuesday. I hope you guys are having a terrific day. So we were outside Walgreens today and we are couponing all from my phone, all from my car, because honestly your girl doesn't feel like taking in the baby and doing a big haul this week. I feel like just being a little bit lazy. So we are doing a curbside pickup, which I love curbside. If you don't know what curbside is, it is basically just Walgreens. They brought this around starting at the beginning of the pandemic so that it was contactless and super efficient. You just pull up in your car and they bring out your order to you. You order it all online. And we all know that Walgreens pricing online is usually about 10 times cheaper than the in-store price, and they follow the online pricing with curbside, so that is even better. And you can literally coupon doing curbside. You don't have to go in the store and coupon. You can use your digital coupons, you can use Walgreens cash to pay, you just can't use paper coupons, and of course you can't use register rewards to pay because those are paper coupons as well. So curbside, super great system. I know that there's a couple of downfalls to it, like, if an item is out of stock, they have to, cancel that or return your coupon value to you or return the Walgreens cash you rolled to you. That can be a little tricky and a little frustrating. There's just not that many deals I want to grab at Walgreens this week. I may come back for a second haul and in-store damage, but for right now, I'm pretty content with all we got today, and it ended up being free and a small money maker. So we're gonna go ahead and go over that. I put together a whole little slide of exactly what I did, what coupons I used, and the pricing online. Now, if you're doing this in store, just remember that your in-store pricing can vary from the online pricing. So it may be a little bit higher priced by a couple dollars, a little bit of change. So just adjust according to that if you want to carry these deals into the store. But if you want to do it curbside, I got you. We have digital coupons that almost everybody should have. I think I used one digital coupon that was an only for you coupon, which means that it's based off my purchase history. So it may be different for you and you guys might not have that same one, but I do believe there's alternatives to that coupon. So I will share that later on when I go over the breakdown of everything we got. So that is basically it. I do want to mention though, and I don't think I've mentioned it in the last couple of weeks, since Walgreens made us aware of this, they now require a $10 order minimum to do curbside. Just keep that in mind. So you definitely could not order like an 89-cent candy and have them bring it out to you. Now they require you to spend at least $10. Now I do have a digital spend booster for spend 50, get $10 Walgreens cash. I don't want to use it this week because the deals are not worth it in my opinion to do that and build up my transaction like that. So I just did a small little transaction today. So we're gonna go ahead and get into that. But real quick, if you are new, welcome. I'm super excited you're here to coupon with us today at Walgreens, all digitally from your phone. You can stay in your PJs if you'd like. Be sure to subscribe if you would like and hit that notification bell so you never miss another upload, as well as give the video a big thumbs up if you do enjoy it. And Walgreens curbside couponing. And let me know what your favorite deals are this week at Walgreens in the comments below. Maybe there's some deals that I just have overlooked and may consider coming back for later on in the week. But for right now, I think I did basically the deals that I knew for sure I wanted to do off the bat. So we're gonna go ahead, pan over to the deals that I did and the breakdown of that, and then we'll go over the final cost and how everything actually turned out. First deal I wanted to do curbside this week was on the Gillette Foamy Shave Cream. This week they're buy one, get one half off, and they're $2.99 each. But when you buy two, you're going to get a $4 register reward. So since they're buy one, get one half off, one will be $149 at 50% off, and then the other will be full price at $2.99. So out of pocket, you're going to pay $4.48 because there is no coupons for this deal. But you can use Walgreens cash to lessen your out of pocket, and then you'll receive a $4 register reward, making it just 48 cents for both of them. Super great deal this week on the Revlon Cosmetics. So the Revlon Cosmetics are buy two, get a $5 register reward, and the Kiss Balms are included. So shout out to Couponing with Kayla for confirming this. So I'm going to grab two Kiss Balms at $3.69 each. That totals us to $7.38. I do have a 4 off of 2 digital coupon for the Kiss Balms that hopefully everybody has. It didn't show that it was an only for you coupon. So using that, we'd pay $3.38 out of pocket. You can use Walgreens cash on this deal, and you'll receive a $5 register reward, making the final cost completely free and a $1.62 moneymaker. If you're looking to knock out an Ibotta rebate, the Icy Hot is your go-to. So this pain relieving liquid right here is $5.99 online. We do have a $3 digital coupon that would bring your out-of-pocket to $2.99. Of course, you can use Walgreens cash to pay, and then you can submit to Ibotta for $3 back, making it completely free. If you're new to Ibotta, I do have my referral link down in the description box. So you can go ahead and sign up, and when you redeem your first offer, you'll get a $10 bonus. This was an interesting discovery to me on the Always Flex Foam pads. They are 2 for $10, and they are part of the weekly promotion for buy 2 participating products, get $4 Walgreens cash. There's other brands included such as Pampers, Crest and Oral-B, Gillette, Old Spice, etc. So the Always pads are advertised in the ad 2 for $11, but online they're showing 2 for $10. So I don't know what's going on with that, but that really helped me out today. I went ahead and used a 5 off of 2 digital coupon. Now this was an only for you coupon that I received, which means that not every account may get this because it was based off of my past purchase history. So that would leave my out-of-pocket at $5. You can use Walgreens cash because this deal is only indicating that you need to buy a certain amount of products. It's not giving you a spend threshold, so you are safe to use the Walgreens cash. You'll receive the $4 Walgreens cash, making it $1 for both, or 50 cents each. Unfortunately, this deal did not work out for me because my store was out of stock of these items and it could not get fulfilled, but I do want to share it. The Crest Oral-B or Scope products are $3 each, and they are on the same promotion as those Always pads for buy 2 get $4 Walgreens cash. Now, since this isn't a register reward promotion, for every 2 we buy, we'll get the $4 Walgreens cash. Whereas if it was a register reward deal, we would have to divide it up in transactions to get that register reward, which is 1 per transaction. So I'm going to go ahead and grab 2 of these twin pack toothbrushes because I noticed they were on sale for $3 each. So that makes them $6 for both. I do have a 2 off of 1 multi-pack digital coupon and a 1 off 1 any Crest or Oral-B product digital coupon. That leaves the out-of-pocket at $3, and of course you can use Walgreens cash to lessen your out-of-pocket. You're going to receive $4 in Walgreens cash, making the final cost free, and a $1 moneymaker. If you did not have the twin packs in stock in your store, or you did not have that high $2 off of 1 digital coupon, you can definitely use the insert coupons from the October P&G. They're just a lesser value of $1, which would make your final cost just completely free and not a moneymaker. So here's the breakdown if I could get those Oral-B items. So the total before coupons comes to $33.85. We're not using a spend booster like I mentioned before, so the total out of pocket comes to $18.85 after all those coupons we used, and we will use Walgreens cash on this. I rolled $20. So the rewards back, we're going to get back a $4 register reward for that Gillette shave cream, $5 register reward for the Revlon Kiss Balms, $8 Walgreens cash total for the Always and Crest deals since they're buy 2 get a $4 Walgreens cash reward, and then we'll submit to Ibotta for $3 back on the Icy Hot, making the final cost for this free and a $1.15 moneymaker. Since they could not give me my Oral-B, the total before coupons comes to $27.85 for me today. After all the coupons, the out-of-pocket will come to $15.85. Now, I did use $20 Walgreens cash, so what they did is they reimbursed me half of the Walgreens cash I used. So I think I got back about $2.30 to make up for me using the $20 on this original deal. So the rewards back, we already went over all of that. The $4 for the Gillette, the $5 for the Revlon. We're only going to get back $4 now for the buy 2 deal just for doing the Always since I could not do the Oral-B today. And then, of course, $3 for the Icy Hot from Ibotta, making the final cost a 15-cent moneymaker. So it would have been nice to have the Oral-B to bump it up a little, but I'm still pretty content with all we got. So we're going to get back in the car and see exactly how everything went. So like you guys heard, the order went pretty well, except I had a issue with my Oral-B toothbrushes. They could not be fulfilled, so I could not do that deal today, which would have been amazing and gave me an extra $1 as a moneymaker to help lessen my out-of-pocket and give me a nicer moneymaker today. But I'll probably just do that later this week in store, or if anything, I can go ahead and get it curbside through a different store that's closer by. We're gonna go over the receipt real quick, even though I already showed the whole breakdown of what I initially had ordered. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys this without the Oral-B, and then we'll go over the final cost. All right, so we have our Icy Hot at $5.99, the 2 Revlon Kiss Balms that are $7.38 total, but $3.69 each. The Gillette Foamy Shave Cream, they are $2.99, buy one get one half off. So one would be $1.49, one would be $2.99, so that totals us to $4.48. And the Always Radiant, that was a big surprise. They are 2 for $11 listed in the ad, but online they are 2 for $10. And I still got my Walgreens cash for it. So that was super clutch. I don't know if that's like a little glitch happening. I don't know if they're going to fix it later on this week, but definitely keep your eyes out for that. I was scrolling through all of the Always pads on the app, and I was like, none of these say 2 for $11. I found 2 for $10, but I don't know. And so when I clicked on the item that says 2 for $10, it did show underneath it that it was in the weekly promotion for buy 2 get $4 Walgreens cash. And I was like, heck, I mean, if it's a little glitch happening, a little like mishap, I'm going to go ahead and do it real quick before they take it away. So that made it an even better deal. So we have our coupons for the Revlon Kiss Balm, the Icy Hot, and the Always Radiant, leaving my subtotal at $15.85. So initially, I had the Oral-B in here, and I had rolled $20 Walgreens cash. Bless you, you guys, you're the big guy. But since I could not, fully roll the $20 Walgreens cash because they could not fill the Oral-B, it changed it to $17.72 that I rolled. So that was that. And then for the estimated Walgreens cash, this is not correct, $8.13. That was counting the Oral-B being fulfilled, but it was not fulfilled. So I did go ahead and submit my receipt over to Ibotta for that $3 back on the Icy Hot and got that instantly. As far as Walgreens cash, I'll put that here on the screen. I got back $4.07 for this transaction. That would be for the Always Radiant pads, and 7 cents being the everyday Walgreens earnings. And then I also got back $2.30. That was the reimbursement, I believe, for I believe that was a reimbursement for either the Walgreens cash or the coupons I used that I had to get returned back to me because that was not that deal did not work out. So that was that, but I'm not counting the $2.30 back in because that was either coupons or Walgreens cash used. So that's that. We did get back our $4 manufacturer coupon for the Gillette, if you guys can see that. So that is a true manufacturer coupon. And then we got back our $5 manufacturer coupon for the Revlon. That is also a, sorry, I'm trying to make sure you guys can see it, a true manufacturer coupon. So $9 in register rewards right there, $4.07 Walgreens cash, $3 from Ibotta. That makes everything here that we got today completely free and a 22-cent moneymaker. Super small haul, but super easy all digital haul, and hopefully you guys will go out and score these deals. Let me know if you do, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave it down in the comments. I will reply back as soon as possible. I think we did pretty well today for a slower haul on my end. I'm just not really crazy about going into the store today. I kind of just want to, mosey around a little bit with the baby. So that was that. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will talk to you guys in the next one. Bye!